As it is the duty of the barangay to ensure a clean, healthy, and sustainable environment for all constituents by adopting measures to effectively manage solid waste and prevent pollution and environmental degradation. Whereas the Barangay Council recognizes the importance of community development involvement and proper waste management practices in improving public health, sanitation, and environmental protection. Now, therefore, on motion of Honorable Marietta C. Ingyu, duly seconded by all the members present, be it resolved as it is hereby resolved by the Sangguniang Barangay of Santo Niño in session duly assembled to adopt and implement a barangay solid waste management program that include but not limited to the following components. 1. Creation of a Barangay Solid Waste Management Committee, BSWMC, to oversee the implementation and monitoring of the program. 2. Mandatory segregation of waste at source by all households, business establishments, and institutions. 3. Regular waste collection schedule with specific days for biodegradable, non-biodegradable, and recyclable waste. 4. Establishment of a material recovery facility, MRF, within the barangay for sorting and composting purposes. 5. Strict prohibition of littering, open dumping, and burning of waste with penalties for violators. 6. Conduct of public information and education campaigns to raise awareness on proper waste management and environmental protection. 7. Allocation of funds from the barangay budget for the effective implementation of the program. Resolve further that copies of this resolution be furnished to the Municipal Environment and Natural Resources Office, MINRO, Municipal Mayor, and other concerned agencies for appropriate information and support. Certified correct, signed, Lenny Bill Dalisay, Barangay Secretary, attested, signed, Melissa C. Laranjo. That's all, Mr. Presiding.
Okay, thank you, Madam Secretary. I think they only need an approval of their resolution. District Councilor of Barangay Santo Niño, any motion to approve or do you have any question with regard to their resolution?
Move to approve, Mr. Chair, because the resolution is nagkuha ni siya, no? With regard to solid waste management, it is to improve or to keep cleanliness sa atuang sa kabarangay, which is ang atuang barangay Santo Niño, and hopefully sa atuang kanggunian body nga diri tabangan ko ninyo o kanala. Siguro.
Okay, thank you. Any seconder? Seconded by, moved by SBM Nico Cabahog and seconded by SB members Norin Sanchez, Gerard Dimpas, and Limuel Tadora and Gingging Malasarte. Next item, Madam Secretary.
11.2, letter from Attorney Paul Humawan, President to Board Recreation and Entertainment Corporation. July 21, 2025, Honorable Junicio Jimmy Y. Cabahog Jr., Municipal Mayor, Tubod, Lanao del Norte. Subject, letter of intent to apply for a municipal franchise to construct and operate a recreation and entertainment center in Purok 4, Barangay Tubaran, this municipality. Dear Mayor Cabahog, greetings. We, the Recreation and Entertainment Corporation, a pre-incorporated corporation, respectfully submit this letter of intent expressing our earnest desire to secure a municipal franchise and or license from your good office authorizing the construction and operation of recreation and entertainment center in Purok 4, Barangay Tubaran. The proposed facility is envisioned to serve a vibrant community hub capable of hosting a wide range of events such as sports events and other recreational activities. It will feature inclusive amenities designed to accommodate all age groups and promote social engagement, wellness, and economic activity within the locality. Key benefits of the project include 1. Local job creation and skills training for residents. 2. Stimulation of economic growth by attracting visitors and supporting ancillary services. Example, catering, security, logistics. 3. Partnership with the LGU in promoting sustainable community development. 4. Commitment to environmental responsibility through eco-friendly construction and operations. We intend to comply strictly with all legal, regulatory, and permitting requirements, including land use policies, safety standards, and business licensing. To this end, we respectfully request guidance from your esteemed office on the procedural steps for securing the necessary franchise and other municipal endorsements. In this connection, we undertake to submit the necessary documents as soon as the same are made available.
Okay, thank you for that, Madam Secretary. Napay sumpay?
Napay sumpay.
Anay sumpay.
We hope to schedule for a hearing or consultation at your earliest opportunity to discuss and merits of this proposal and our commitment to serve the residents of Tubod and its neighboring areas. My email address and mobile numbers are provided below for your convenience. Thank you. Signed, Attorney Paul A. Humawan, President, Tubod Recreation and Entertainment Corporation. That's all, Mr. Presiding.
Okay, thank you, Madam Secretary. This pertains to the request of the Tubod Recreation and Entertainment Corporation to avail of the municipal franchise from this August body. I think this request was catered by the Committee on Amusement. Do you have any idea with regard to this, SBM Gerard Dimpas?
So, amusement.
Naka-meeting na mo?
Oo, ka-meeting namin.
Namoy committee report or diretso na ninyo ikuan sa may inyong pleasure with regard to the presentation of the corporation?
Ano mamigi pass ato, Mr. Chair? Nga together with BPLO sa puto isa. Ang suning.
So, sa may inyong recommendation regarding this matter?
So, okay, move.
I-move for the approval of the franchise?
Oh, approval for the franchise.
Okay, there is a motion to approve the franchise of the Tubod Recreation and Entertainment Corporation. Any seconder? Seconded by SB members Gingging Malasarte, Nico Cabahog, Limuel Tadura. Okay? Ini
Mr. Chairman,
ma'am,
pahibalo lang ko, wala pa tayo nadawat nga dokumento.
wala pa tayo nadawat ng dokumento.
Wala. Kanilang siya. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Wala sila gihatag nga barangay permit? Amo ba? Okay, for first reading na lang. Okay. So, ang kinahanglan sa mao nga franchise is barangay permit. Dayon, no objection.
Ito
Barangay.
barangay
Sa
resolution.
MPDC po nga.
Okay, ang
Oo.
dili, kuan,
So,
human ana
resolution.
dito na din nasa MPDC.
Resolution or
Members
no
recommendation the NPD ko for the kuan.
Okay.
As far as
Nagka-meeting naman daw sila.
actually amo nang gi-request nila nga buhaton na nila.
Mm,
Dito na sila niya. That's why
Wala pa
kinahanglan mag-approve
record.
report gikan sa engineering o sa MPDO.
okay. Cons Gerard Dimpas being the
I'm sure
committee,
it will follow.
being the committee on amusement,
na lang,
i-follow up lang si Sir Siegfried.
Okay, kay amo naman tong gitagaan siya turte nga round na requirements.
Okay, and then
So,
follow up also the barangay permit.
O, basta nakatouch na to,
Okay.
Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you. So let's proceed to another item. For first reading lang to, ma'am.
Oo.
Okay, next item.
11.3, letter from Mr. Minard Humawan, Vocational School Administrator to TESDA. July 28, 2025, Honorable Clifford G. Humalon, Presiding Officer, through Honorable Jenicio Y. Cabao Jr., Municipal Mayor. Subject, request for Sangguniang Bayan endorsement through resolution in support of NAIS, Solar-Powered Smart Greenhouse Project. Dear Honorable Members of the Sangguniang Bayan, warm greetings from the Lanao del Norte National Agro-Industrial School, LNAS, a TESDA-administered institution committed to advancing quality technical vocational education and agricultural innovation in the municipality of Tubod and neighboring communities. We respectfully seek the endorsement of the Sangguniang Bayan of Tubod for our solar-powered smart greenhouse project, an innovation-driven initiative that aligns with our shared mission to promote sustainable agricultural development and climate-smart practices in the province. This project is envisioned to enhance the school's capacity to integrate renewable energy into agri-tech education, strengthen local food production systems, and support this task directive to promote green technologies in technical vocational education and training. With your endorsement, we hope to cultivate broader community engagement, potential support from stakeholders, the synergy of efforts and towards regional resilience, and innovation. We sincerely hope for the support and favorable consideration of the Sangguniang Bayan in formalizing these endorsements through a municipal resolution. Should you require any further information or wish to discuss this request in detail, please do not hesitate to contact us. You can also call the mobile number given. Sincerely signed, Minard Humawan, Vocational Administrator 2, TESDA. Na ilang project proposal diri, Mr. Chairman, ga-attach.
Sa ilang gipangayo,
Need sila endorsement.
endorsement, asa nila ihatag yung
Taas siguro ni.
endorsement lang. Okay. So, nangayo ang TESDA, Committee on Education. Pan-sourcing na.
Okay, ato manggitap good ang TESDA nga motabang sa ato ang agriculture.
Okay.
Okay, so I so move to endorse that request sa ato ang TESDA
Okay, there is a motion to
for funding.
have an endorsement to
Unanimously na lang hangyo ko kay funding may pangayoon basta funding.
our national line agencies
Babag.
to fund the solar powered smart
Greenhouse.
greenhouse of TESDA.
Yes.
Moved by SB member Nelly Pipito and unanimously seconded by the rest of the members present.
Okay.
Next,
Resolution number 2, Series 2025, the monthly meeting of the Board of Trustees, Tubod College, Tubod Lanao del Norte. Mabahibalo lang ko daan. Before ni gi-submit ni Ma'am Chi, katubi tong ilang resolution gipangayo IDP. Oh, pag tan-aw na to, ang logo man gud sa Tubod College, dili na mao. Moto ako siyang gitawagan nga nganong lahi ang logo, ma'am. Nga in 10 years pa man na siya ma-amend nang lit. Then ingon na gud siya nga naay BOT resolution. Moto ko please kog submit kay ipahibalo to sa body kay sila ra bay naghimo sa ordinansa.
mo ni siya nga resolution.
Oh. Resolution number 2, Series 2025, atong January 28, 2024. A resolution adopting the new Tubod College logo, institutional goals, and Tubod College herald. Whereas Tubod College is committed to strengthening its institutional identity and aligning its vision, mission, and goals with its strategic direction and educational philosophy. Whereas Tubod College recognizes the importance of a distinct and meaningful logo that symbolizes its core values, institutional heritage, and commitment to academic excellence. Whereas the institutional goals have been reviewed and updated to reflect the evolving needs of the institution, its students and stakeholders in fostering academic excellence, leadership, and community engagement. Whereas Tubod College Herald serves as the official publication and platform for disseminating institutional news, achievements, and developments, thereby fostering transparency, unity, and intellectual discourse within the college community. Whereas the new Tubod College logo, institutional goals, and Tubod College Herald will be officially launched on the 7th Foundation Anniversary celebration on January 30, 2025. Now therefore be it resolved, as it is hereby resolved, that the Board of Trustees of Tubod College formally adopts the new Tubod College logo, institutional goals, and Tubod College Herald, signifying a renewed commitment to the college's mission and vision. Institutional goals to provide quality and affordable education to the people of Lanao del Norte and the surrounding communities. To reproduce graduates who are globally competent, ethical, and socially responsive to the needs and interests of society. To provide extension of services to the community, to develop partnerships with other educational institutions, government agencies, and private organizations. Tubod College is committed to achieving its goals through the following: hiring qualified and experienced faculty members, providing students with modern facilities and equipment, implementing a relevant and effective curriculum, promoting a culture of excellence and innovation, encouraging students to participate in research and community service activities. Tubod College Herald, verse 1. Ay, kanta ni. Di na ako basahon. Rizal, kaya di ko kaya belum kanta. Resolve further that the new logo, ay, si Conchal Nili siguro may makahibalo. Resolve further that the new logo be officially used in all college documents, communications, promotional materials, and digital platforms. Resolve finally that copies of this resolution be furnished to the office of the President of Tubod College and other concerned offices for their information and appropriate action. Adopted 28th day of January at Tubod College, Lanao del Norte. I certify to the correctness. Signed, Priximi Salutelio, BOT Secretary, attested signed, Dr. Cherry Marie Paklipan, presiding officer, signed, Dionisio Y. Cabog Jr., Municipal Mayor, BOT Chairman, with concurrence of, signed, SB Member Nelly Pipito, signed, Vice Mayor Clifford J. Humalon, signed, Sheila Arviles, signed, Grace Ann Marshall, and signed, John Narciso. That's all, Mr. Presiding.
Okay, daghang salamat. So, what is the pleasure of the Committee on Education?
Okay, Mr. Chairman, thank
SBM
you.
Nelly Pipito.
Okay. Based on our problems nga during sa time na ni Mayor Cabahog, ang atong eskwelahan sa Tubod College is about to close. Kay 1 week ra gani ang gihatag gyud ato. So kang mahitabo sa pagbuhat gyud namo ani tinuod, gi-base na siya namo sa katong mga requirements nga dili gyud masira ang atong eskwelahan tungod kay nagproblema man ta ato sa ato ang mga trabahante or employees, mga teachers nga walay mastery. Walay mahimong din. Kay murag si Ma'am wala binis ra gyud to sa 5 ka program nga na-qualified. So, moingon lang jud ko in the first place nga mangayo kong pasaylo kay wala man ko kakita ana nga maong balaod nga gihimo sa una o katong logo. Kung unsay nahitabo ato pila ka years di ay siya nga ayha pa siya ma-mend. So, tingali mo lang na amo ang nasipyat sa Board of Trustees. But because we need action immediately at that time, nga daghan kayo gyud nga requisitos nga kulang di ay kulang kayo ang atong eskwelahan. So that's why mo gyud ni ato ang unahon dayon strengthen na dayon will follow na dayon tong uban nga mga requirements para gyud nga mapadayon ang pag-operate sa ato ang eskwelahan labi na gyud sa Tubod College. So mo gyud siya ang pinaka. So salamat man pud ko karon kay para pud ko nakahibalo nga naana di ay balaod nga nagikuan nga 10 years after pa ma-amend. But because nagsunod pa sa general requirements of CHED, Region 10. So, mauna siyang naingon ana. Mga ilan jud og depensa isip usa ka magbabalaod kay sa tinuod-anay lang wala magugkoy orientation with regards sa una pod nga nagdumala. Kay sa sige nako og session diri makita man gyud nato sa previous nato nga mga minutes nga nagsige gyud ko pangayo sa organizational structure with regards to Tubod College. Then wala magdito siya ma-proper of present sa ato ang president sa una. So, munang nahitabo nga ingon ana ang gi-amend di ay ito namo. So, with, wala pa ba yun ay amendments nga na-mention. So, unsa may maayo na to anang buhaton ron guys. Okay. So, ato
Okay.
na lang na i-refer sa atong legal.
Okay,
Kung say ato ang legal remedies nga mahimo, nga kay kana naman gyud ra ba ang atong gigamit during karon sa ato ang mga operasyon na sa Tubod College. Mao na siya nga logo, mao na to siya nga hem tanan. Dahil gi-enforce na to ang ato ang basic requirements to become legit ang ato ang Tubod College. Thank you.
Okay, daghang salamat SB Member Nelly Pipito. SB Member Edith Mansueto is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Ako nakita sa logo, guwapo, pero should be indicated ang lugar diin ang Tubod College. So kanang Tubod College niya na tingali sa sud sa imabaw din ang address ari sa ubos. Kay Suatino, ang tubod good na ako'y tubod Surigao, tubod ko nung magbutang sila college dito. Tubod college, butang address parehara sa toa. So probably the right logo identify gini mo ang lugar. So suggest lang na ako sa grupo nga kanang Tubod College ipasuod na diya sa imabaw then ang address kanang sa ubos.
Okay, daghang
It should be
salamat.
indicated to Bolanao del Norte.
Mm-mm.
Okay, attention.
Noted.
Asa ato ang Committee on Education. Dunay suggestion nga gipalapnag si SBM Edit nga kinahanglan mabutang daw ang proper
Specific
address sa maong
address
logo.
sa
But then
okay?
again, I would like to express my idea with regard to this matter, no? For the information of everybody. Ang Tubod College was created 2018, no? If I am not mistaken. Ang balaod nga nag-create niya is the Sangguniang Bayan sa ato ang lungsod. Under the institutional development sa ato ang Tubod College, nahimo siyang institutionalize sa konseho that time. So, dili lang kay Kuswito sa maong balaod with regard to the amendments of the logo and the amendments of the specific details of the Tubod College, including the Herald. Kung aduna ba'y nakabutang 5 or 10 years. But ang balaod no sa lokal nga panggamahanan kung ang ato ang mga logo sa munisipyo, logo sa atong barangay, atong ilisan ug uban pa kaning ato ang mga vision mission aduna tay pulo ka tuig nga gialaw no sa Department of Interior and Local Government. Pero with regard to this amendment sa ato ang logo, um, ang ako lang pangutana kung allowed ba no ang ato ang Tubod College nga mo change sa maong logo in 5 years kay sa ginaingon ko pa kung ang munisipyo mao ang mag-utro aduna may pulo ka tuig. Pero sa Tubod College kay tungod gi-create ra man pod siya sa munisipyo, siguro pwede ra siya og 5 years. So ang ako lang pangutana sa secretariat kung na-approve nato nga institutional development nga kabahin sa Tubod College o naka-implicate ba dito ang gitawag nato nga 5 to 10 years no thereafter ang ato ang pag-change sa mao nga kuan. Muna akong pangutana para pod suportara nato ang hangyo no sa ato ang kuan. Sir Lord, mangutana lang ko. Yes, tinuod nga 10 years ang pag-change sa atong logo. Kana kung ang atong ilisan ang atong LGU. Pero kani ang atong Tubod College, this was created by the Sangguniang Bayan, no, ang institutional development. So ang ako lang pangutana, basin pwede ra maalaw nga mailisan ay if dili pod ato lang pong ikuan, ato lang pong i-refer sa ato ang legal counsel. Pwede? Yes.
Ang nag-create sa Tubod College, ang logo ana is created na siya under 258 nga ordinance,
ordinance.
nga ordinance ng Guniang Bayan. Na dito naka-incorporate ang goals, mission, vision sa Tubod College. Dayon ang ilahang kampod. Then kanina mangod siya kay siyempre na under siya atong nga ordinance, then gi-create siya sa utro siya sa BOT. Dapat ang mag-utro kung pwede kung gusto nga utrohon i-amen to nga portion sa ordinance nga na dito ang logo.
Okay.
Pwede ra kay Sangguniang Bayan naman to nato gi-create.
Okay, thank you for that clarification. So muna akong giingon, walay provision sa balaod nga nag-ingon nga dili na to pwede ilisan ang mao nga logo as long as it is approved by the BOT and then approved by the Sangguniang Bayan. Kay ang mao nga ang mao nga balaod sa Tubod College was created by the Sangguniang Bayan, not the national law.
Pero base ang kanina man kung gipasa sa BOT nga resolution, wala po ni siya na describe ang logo.
Wala may designated
Dapat pod unta nga ma-describe pod og
logo.
unsa ni siya na ni nga kanini ang unsa na ni. Unsa na.
Sunod. Description sa whole.
Okay.
Dapat naabot siya kanana.
Okay. So,
Kaning color niya nga
ipahid mo. Na-explain na during sa mo.
kani siya unsa na definition
Okay,
niya,
okay.
unsa na po ni siya. Then kanini ang ilahang bag-o nga
Yes, oo, nana.
kuan, unsa ni siya kaning water nila nga kuan.
Tinuod,
Yes,
tinuod.
na-explain
Okay.
na naana dito sa tuang
Okay.
minutes board.
So atong hangyoon ang
Guides.
Committee on
Yes,
Education, no?
yes.
Please return this resolution to the
Pabutangan lang address.
Kubud College, no? Especially the college president to specify all the
all
items
the items.
incorporated on that
Ah,
logo so that the Sangguniang
yes,
Bayan
na.
and the other members of this august body will know kung unsa ang mga meaning ana nga mga kaning
Oo, design.
mga design.
Mm-mm.
Okay?
Na,
So as to the number of years nga pag-ilis, wala siya naka-specify kay tungod it was
Okay.
created by the Sangguniang Bayan
Sangguniang
only,
Bayan.
no? Not the
Okay.
national law.
So, first thing we would like to know is i-amend sa damo sa board.
Ang kuan
Then,
lang,
lagi. Lagi.
ang ordinansa lang, butangan lang, isumpayan lang pare ani.
Oo.
Ikaw ang
Amend then,
siguro.
ana. Okay.
Nangalag tubog gali.
Muna na ibasihan nga ordinance. Okay, okay. Sige day. Ako nang kuhaan. Lagi. Ato ako niya nang kuhaan siya para makuhaan. Okay,
Okay, and
Noted,
please
noted.
submit it next week.
Yes.
Consnelly kay
Oo.
muna na ba ilang nagamit ka?
Una to.
Okay? No more items, no more clarification. So let's proceed to another item.
11.5. Letter from Ms. Juliet L. Orais, MSWDO, this municipality. Katong request niya ganiha nga gilabi.
Okay, I think
Refuel ang una, refuel. Kajot ba? Refuel da yung unahon.
mag-committee meeting mo. Okay, mag-committee meeting ang Committee on Social Services. Chairman is SB member Genevieve Malasarte.
First reading.
Unya na i-first reading. Kuan pa man. Endorse to committee. When is the scheduled committee meeting?
Mangutana pa po ko, Mr. Presider, o kinsay mga kuan.
I-invite?
I-invite.
Wala
Kay
din
pwede ra
na-discuss
po
ganina.
Pwede ra po sa kuan. 5, 6, ana.
If you are a member of the committees of SB member Gerard and SB member Nico, I suggest para kaisa ra mo kami,
Pwede ra sad.
magkuan na lang mo, mag-joint na lang mo.
Pwede ra sad.
Oh,
Kay
para
may
kuan.
tungkod ko.
Oh.
Wala problema.
Sige, idungan na lang then please ask the secretariat kung unsang mga invited personalities. Ayo lang mo pagdungan og oras.
Lagi.
Okay.
Pwede may afternoon, 1 o'clock.
Pwede naman og kuan 1 hour man naman ang committee.
How?
Ah,
Pwede ra sad.
no, para dili kayo mo hago.
Lagi dili na magbalik-balik.
Okay, okay na.
Okay na.
Please tell our secretary kinsa inyong i-invite. Kay kinahanglan na ba ning kuan sa SGLG ni siya Ma'am Ams, no?
Sa
Okay.
SDLG.
Dapat asap ni.
Mao gani, pwede gyud tatog ugma dayon.
Sige. Sa may nasabutan ninyo ganina, wala mong gugo. Unsa man?
Wala,
Aprobahan na lang dito?
Ni-istorya na ko nga mag-committee meeting.
Nya na. Unsa may kuan?
Pag open na ni Ma'am kuan Juliet kaninang morning is ni anak ko nga isip bago pa sa kuan posisyon ding bago po ko sa committee nga social services need po ko nga mubasa pa po.
Okay.
Dili po na ko i-approve so kay
Very good.
mura po tag-well kuan kayo.
Okay. So mo man ay gusto sa committee nato, no?
Wala lay ko'y problema si
Okay.
basta makakuan lang ko kinsa
So
ma-invite.
maliog lang ko sa imuhang mga ipag-invite. So please report lang sa atong secretary. Okay, SBM no rin? Before SBM no rin. Pwede na po. Depende sa Sangguniang Bayan. Sponsoran lang number. Okay. It is allowed on our rules nga pwede ra ta mag-signify og number.
Membro lang wala ba bitar. Committee hearing.
Okay? So, SBM no rin?
Juliet ganina nga naslay timeline nga kung ano gamiton nila sa
Hmm.
kuan sa August 11 nga ang time na i-approve nato dayon nababuto siya iusab ato atong kuan atong recommendation ganina nga i-appeal tong mga midsection uban. Oo. Dayon dili na refuel. Ka ma'am kuan na kang ma'am Lugson.
Okay, lahi din ni Cons. Okay, what is the pleasure? We will allocate a number. Okay. Okay, carried. Next. Next item, Madam Secretary. 11.6. Na-cater na po ni siya ganina. Unsay recommendation na ni for approval? Kulang? Okay, ipa-appeal ang karne ug ang isda. Then ang names kinsa may mohatag? Sila ra. Okay. So any motion to approve and I mean authorize our municipal mayor to issue to sign the MOU and the MOA. And then include the two recommendations like fish and the meat.
Okay,
One,
I move to approve that
move to
resolution.
authorize
To
the
authorize.
MOA and MOU. Moved by SB member Jenny V. Malasarte, seconded SB member Danny, Nelly, and Nico, and Norin. Next.
Muna ni kang Ma'am Julie May. God, kaduha.
Na-discuss ba ni? Na-discuss? Na-discuss ba? Wala pa ni na-discuss? Okay, this is a code, so it must be referred to the committee concerned, especially the Committee on Social Work, Social Services, Social Services, Social Services, particularly
Gihapon ako na
SB
Mr.
member
Presider.
Jenny V. Malasarte. Ano sa mo mag-meeting ani Cons?
Pwede na dayon ugma. If
Ugma. Or the invited personnels from the LGU.
makigistorya pa magud ko ni Ma'am Lacson. Hapon na may ugma. Basta ugma, alaw na.
Alauna. Okay, attention, committee members. There will be a committee meeting tomorrow at 1 o'clock p.m. by the Committee on Social Services with Mrs. Julie May Lacson. Carried. Next.
11.8, letter from Ms. Merlin Palomares, Cooperative Specialist this municipality, na siya gi-endorse para accreditation o re-accreditation.
Committee Chair on Cooperative. Nabasa na nimo ni nga maong accreditation.
Okay. I
Responsible
think Ma'am Merlin
dito.
na comply na siguro ang tanan nga requirements kay re-accreditation na mana. So I move to approve.
Okay, there is a motion to
Accredit
approve.
ka na ang pito ka
Moved by SB Nelly Pipito, seconded by SB members
municipality.
Danny, Genevieve, Gerard, Nico, and Norin. Yeah, ano ka trabaho. Next. No written committee report. Please proceed to another item. Wala pa gihatag nga kuan ang committee unsay recommendations sa
Katunan
ordinansa
ko
sa
ano,
Panlaw?
itong ilahang ordinansa nga gikuan nga naghangyo og naay sa to? Day Explain of study.
Naistudyuhan na ba sa committee? Ay,
Alam to'y gamay nga nakita ang committee sa katong mga days and hours. Maura man to'y ang
Mura to
maura
gi-correct.
to'y gi-recommend nga gi-correct sa Barangay Palaw para for approval.
Kasi nagibalik.
na-correct na ba?
O gipakuan.
Na-correct na, Ma'am Ams?
Last Monday na ato'y committee report. Oh, pagkahuman, nanay gibalik, giingon man sa secretariat nga nanay bagong gibalik. Nya giingon man nga i-further review pa. Differ lang sa ang upat ka ordinansa.
So, pero giutro na.
Oh, gikuha na to sa Palaw.
Ah,
Pero wa pa nila ma-check sa committee ang katong gi-revise na sa Palaw.
Okay.
Mo tong gi-defer lang sa nila.
Oh,
Mo tong karon nga nagkuan ko or i-take ba to or defer lang gyapon.
I-take na lang ninyo po review. Kaya rin di sa madugay.
okay, take from the table. The barangay ordinances o barangay Palaw. Ordinance number 4, 5, 6, and 8. I
Okay.
think this is for second reading.
Mm-mm.
Okay, for second reading. Move on.
Siya.
SBM Edit Mansueto, ini Sikander.
Seconded.
Seconded by SB member Nelly Pipito and SB member Coco, SB member Genevieve, SB member Unanimous na lang. Okay.
Gusto magataan ni tanan.
Kapoy, gagay masyada. Next.
Consensus, ang request ko sa decision near going to the decision.
Okay, resolution requesting our honorable mayor and to allocate funds on the shouldering of sa na nga road na na lang ipa-research lang no. Particularly the road pavement from Tubod College to the TBCC.
Okay.
Sponsor Committee
Mr. Chairman.
on
Before siguro na mag-approve ba mo istorya sa siguro si Cons Gerald ana nga gapasa kay murag third quarter naman ta karon of the year unya wala magyud na apil in town sa budget so
Okay.
murag klaro gyud ba dili kay blood klaro gyud nga
Okay,
dili ma-implement
before giving
makinistorya usata kay basin i-priority by next year basin o ana
okay.
kay
So
makita gyud nga gikinahanglan kay delikado nga i-priority gyud na ni mayor at
Ato
least
lang sa
gigistorya
siguro,
sa ta
it was a privilege speech no nanghangyo siya resolusyon. So ato lang sa i-cater yang resolusyon then kung unsay yang desisyon sa ato ang committee istoryahon ba or maghimo gyud tag resolusyon. Unsay gusto sa maong proponent? Unsay gusto nimo maghimo tag resolusyon or istoryahon lang nimo si mayor? So di na ta maghimog resolusyon. Dili na lang.
Ato lang
Okay.
istoryahan.
Ato pangutan ng tag-iya sa kuan. Resolution man gud yang giingon kanina. Okay. So ang gihangyo is resolution but then again ning decline ang atong proponent. Dili na lang siya mo dayon og himog resolution but istoryahan na lang niya si mayor nga makuan. Si tawag ana insertion ang tawag ana. Wala na ra ba ni sugot si BBM og insertion. Si Conra LGU tubod. Okay. Next item. Okay. Okay, resolution endorsing SB member Limuel Tadura to be our PCL president of the province of Lanao del Norte representing Tubod, our beloved municipality. Moved by SB member Norin and unanimously seconded by the rest of the members present. Dito lang na sa province. Manifestation of support lang di ay. Kuan lang, sorry. Dili endorsement ang maong kuan kay butaray ra ba? So ang atong i-kuan is manifestation of support. Okay, butaray ra ba endorsement walay butar-butar. Okay. 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 Checkpoint. Oo.
Taga didto dapit nga kuan ka nang moagi bitaw diha nga mga barangay. Din Kalilangan, din Bulan.
Okay.
Kay mostly kuno sa ilahang mga empleyado nga nanrabaho diri gabi na gyud intang kuno muuli. Unya na sila na matikdan nga
Nag-atang.
orag something ngayon ana atang hadlok sila.
Okay, thank you. Resolution
Sa
requesting our
Is
chief
ano?
police
Chief of Police.
and then requesting also our sa man kinahanglan ba tag sundalo? Police lang. PNP lang. Okay, requesting our PNP, particularly our chief of police, to establish a checkpoint
Checkpoint.
in Tipaan.
Barangay.
Tipaan. Saan na?
Dili.
Tubaran.
Tubaran. Junction to Magsaysay.
Singalan
kuan?
nga Purok.
Puro seat size.
Purok size. Purok size, Tubaran. Tubod Lanao del Norte.
Tubaran Junction
Mubay,
sa
say Mubay.
Magsaysay ug kanang Pabolan.
Moved by our ABC President, Ini Sikander.
Yun na ni
Seconded
Musli na
unanimously,
lang.
seconded by the rest of
Para
the members
mangayo
present.
ra ba ni?
And please invite also our Chief of Police this coming Monday. Kana. Aside from giving him resolution para mandatory yun, ato po siyang tagaan, ato po siyang invite karong Monday. Okay? No more items. Next item, announcement. Mowas ako. Okay, katong gi-present kanina. Ini move on. Move by SB member Nelly Pipito, Ini Sikander. Seconded by SB member Genevieve Malasarte. Next. No more items for discussion. Announcement. Hearing none. Any motion to adjourn? Before the adjournment? Ela, wala ko ka-idea sa Ela. Wala ko kabalo sa kwan. Wala ko kapirma pa. Wala na bots ko mangutana lang taon niya. Mandatory siguro na kay Ela man. Deluxe Hotel? Okay. Mangutana lang tanong. Wala ko ka kwan ganina. Okay. Pending motion, SB member Nelly, Ini Sikander, Genevieve, Nico, and Gerard. Ini objection. Hearing none. Samukan yun. Magdungan po pong isang tamo pa. Nalimtan, no? Excuse, sorry. Nalimtan na to ang permit sa katong Bukana. Si member edit katong sa Bukana, okay na 3 days? Okay na siya 3 days, move on. Si member Gerard. Seconded by SB member Genevieve.
Wala, si Tiora.
Dili man yun na may kamunang puro-puro. Talagsa na kailangan.